Gavino, the vlogger here, saying channel update. Changing the name of my channel now. I changed it already. But it's because I am co-oping with my brother here, which right now he's not allowed on camera because he does game videos on his channel, but you can't get him to upload on that certain tablet because it took it to my account. So I decided, why not? I'm going to change my name. Now it's Brotherly Videos, and he is uploading it right now. Are you?
Huh?
Are you uploading video?
No, I'm trying to get it to work after I check my Google Plus. But
Okay.
listen, no, Max, for the last time, that's not my card. I should have known I can't teach an old dog new tricks. Now I'm stuck in a shit. Son of a bitch. No, literally, look at the pictures. Here, I'll bring the tablet over. Look. I'm on my Google Plus, which is kind of like Facebook.
Everybody knows what Google Plus is, and everybody hates it.
Whatever. It's a dog with a red card. No, Max, for the last time, that's not my card. I should know. And then the boys were like, I should have known. You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
This is getting boring, isn't it?
And then he stepped in its
Crap.
shit, and it says, and now I've stepped in your shit. And looked at his foot, and it has a card, and he's like, son of a bitch.
He ate his card. Alright. Well, this is just a short little announcement. I don't know how to make it long at all. But, while I'm here, I might as well do something.
A lot of it.
Shoot. I'm not sure if I should. What is it called? Yeah, so I'm gonna, let's see, okay. Will you press the button.com? We're gonna try this for the last time. Freaking ads, 1 second.
Look down.
What?
He missed.
Dude.
Missed.
No, stop with the freaking things, like the 3 and 4 pictures. Okay, a person of your choice falls in love with you, and you're happy for the rest of your life. You live in a housing commission, you can't have children. Okay, I pressed it. It's a good scenario. Good scenario. Ugh. Infinite wealth, love, and health, but uncontrolled bowel and bladder movements. Ooh.
What?
No, I'm not pressing that button.
Definitely not.
Half-Life 3 comes out. You can't play it and can only watch little kids play it without editing. I pressed it. I don't care. I don't play those games. Nobody yell at me. No comments. Stop now. Whatever. You have all the money you'll ever need. It comes from selling drugs and you are wanted. No. Good scenario, though. Kurt Cobain will come back to life and make 20 more Nirvana albums. The next 5 presidents will pose it. No! No. Bad dilemma. Bad. You will be a god, nobody will know if you really exist.
What? Bad metal? Brand
No.
new Team 3.
I don't care about being a god. I want to be known. Every superpower you want, the person closest to you dies with no possible way of resurrection. Did anybody think I can just walk near a random stranger in Asia? If anybody in Asia is watching this, sorry. Bad scenario though, because it's very uneven. Dude, that's gonna be copyright. Stop watching.
Team 3 Bad metal.
You can travel to any planet you want and go at any time. at the speed of light. You will never meet the limit. I don't care. I don't care about powers. I don't care about powers. Well, a person in the comments did say, what if I love planets? That's actually an interesting way to put it there. Every bit of text on the internet will be grammatically correct. You will have to only have access to 3 web pages for 3 hours a day. I'm a grammar freak, but that's torture. That's torture. You'll get planted inside Second Life as a character, and you're allowed to have nothing. You'll stay there forever. I don't play Half-Life. I'm sorry. I don't play Half-Life. You have unparalleled mental abilities far beyond the limits of a human brain. The drain on your body will leave you paralyzed.
Yeah, and have you ever heard that metal?
Basically, infinite knowledge, yet absolutely no bodily movement. So like Stephen Hawking's. No. Sorry, I want to be able to move. I don't move much, but I still do. You get to live in your favorite video game universe, being whatever type of character you're making. You stay as a side character, and you will be completely irrelevant to the main characters. I want to have relevancy. I want to be relevant. Well, screw you other people who said, oh yeah, I don't give a damn. Alright. You live in the world of Harry Potter. You're a house elf, you don't get to choose who owns you. I don't care about Harry Potter. Bad scenario. You can kill the person you hate the most without getting in trouble or anybody knowing. You have to eat the corpse, including the bones. Oh, excluding the bones, okay. Bad scenario, I did not press the button. What? No, I'm not going to press the button. I barely even want to say it. You can reuse it at any point of time in history. Once a year, you will have to spend 2 weeks in a Nazi concentration camp. No. I mean, seriously, man. What's the percentage? What's the rate I can die within those 2 weeks? You can go into any TV show you're choosing. In essence, live a life there. You have to commit one crime of your choosing before you do so. I pressed it. Because who says it has to be a very, very large crime? Who says it can't be just a minor offense? Huh? Nobody said that. It was that of your choosing, so you know exactly what to say. Lily, get away.
Oh,
you know exactly what to say and when to say it in any sort of situation at the cost of losing all bowel control. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
my bowels are important to me. If the perfect girl, she feels and is amazing in every way. This only applies to you and everyone else. To everyone else, she looks, feels, and smells horrible. And she will only do it for me.
You have to watch it.
You'll gain mortality, but you'll be a goldfish for eternity. Immortal, like 24% of people who press the button, but who cares? Immortal goldfish! Good dilemma, because I like goldfish. You can fly, use control of your poop, and just like that, right? Again with the freaking bowel movements. Bad. I didn't press it. I don't care if I fly, everybody's gonna get crapped on, and they're gonna blame me. You can have any power you want. When you use the power, you age. If you choose immortality, then you'll constantly age by the hour. Oh.
Yes.
No. Dude, by the time I'm 50, I'll look like I'm 500 years old. Basically. Approximately.
You're immortal.
You're loved by millions. There are all 13-year-old girls.
I Gmailed you.
I pressed it.
What?
Because, come on. I'm not just a viewer. Yeah, but seriously. You'll be the most desired person in the world. You cannot... Oh.
No.
Oh, no, I won't press that.
I'm surprised I said that because I'm a kid.
You're a kid, and I'm not even going to say that word out loud because it's YouTube. Steve Jobs will be brought back from the dead, but every single iOS product will vanish.
No.
I will not. I'm sorry.
I can't. Who's
Sorry.
Steve Jobs?
I forget who he is, but I know he's like...
You can do anything you want, but you
can never shave your legs. Hey, I'm not a girl! Bad scenario. No, let me check how much time we're into. Ooh, we're gonna end this soon. We're gonna have to end this soon. You become, shut up, At. You become a physical dynamo, the highest grade in martial arts ever know, or ever will be, known to man, as well as being an expert parkour and other cool shite. But you can wear nothing but underwear for the rest of your life.
Yes.
I pressed the button. I mean, good scenario though, because seriously, if I'm like, seriously,
What if it was
fight people in my underwear in the freezing cold. I don't care. I'm awesome. You have to save an infant from a house fire. You get third-degree burns on your entire body. I'm pressing the button.
What?
I'm a morally correct person in this bad scenario. Not bad as in like,
You're
not complicated.
invincible to any
and all attacks. You feel the pain you're directly responsible for.
No. Bad.
Dude, I'm invulnerable to any attack, but like, who says I'm going to cause pain? I'm a pacifist.
How? So, I will die if I shoot a deer?
You're invulnerable to all attacks, but you'll feel the pain of the attack that you inflict. Not you will suffer the injury of what you attack.
Oh.
You'll just feel the pain. On
That's
an
horrible.
unspeakable level. The freaking ad, I hear you. You need to shut the hell up sometimes. You can speak any language in existence, but you can never speak any you already know again. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I want to speak every language, but I don't want to speak every language. Okay, I know this whole language, I forgot it. And I can never speak it ever again. You can knock Chuck Norris Chuck Norris for a day. But the next he roundhouse kicks you in the balls. If you're a girl, just grow balls just for this. No, Chuck Norris. Sorry. Chuck Norris will kill me. And, okay, one more, and then we're ending this. You will be able to excel and incredibly successful in any art form you want, music, film, YouTube videos, yes, etc. You will be universally disliked and all your fans will be horrible and annoying. I don't care!
Bad.
I screwed up. I pressed the button. Anyways, I'm going to cut this video here because we only have 25 seconds left before we reach the 15-minute time limit. Anyways, we are the Brotherly Videos, and he barely was in this one, so...
Yeah, I was just in the background.
Bye.